We are just returning this vehicle as part of our premier service to the customer after we've installed this Pioneer on his head unit. And oh, look what's playing. Great install. Great install. Of course, steering controls are all working. And here you can see the video that we've done for our G-Wagon upgrades. Complete with the bezel that the customer provided. He got the adapter kit. We have it as well, but preemptively he got it, which was brilliant. We then got the module, the CAN bus for the steering control, so that's all working now, as you can see. Volume, and we can flick through the track selection there as well. And also there was an issue with the back side component, which is this element, which we then swapped out. So now in the original factory USB position and AUX position, we've got our cables running, which basically means that the USB now reads from the original placement. So really cool, very happy. Premier service by Audio Direct, people. Get on board. You know our social media.